Hey, good morning, traders, and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today, just like you saw, I had my first trading session today. My first trade was out the money, and I'm taking a good advantage with this payout with OTC, this currency in OTC. So we had three around in the money with these two reserved for binary options, but I don't want to, talk too much about this strategy. I want to talk a lot about the copy trading or social trading using my ID. Before to start of this, I receive a lot of questions. Lester, when you're gonna start talking or sharing with us your social trading? But I never taken that decision because it's a lot of responsibility on me, on my shoulders. Think about it. Trading with my money and trading with money from another people who I don't know who it is, and I don't know how much money they have to pay their bills and that a lot of stuff. It's a lot of pressure on my shoulders. But the first week sucks, to be honest with you guys. The first week that I start sharing my social trading with you totally sucks, was awful. I feel terrible the moment that I saw that results, and I can't believe it. It says many traders, many people are trusting in me, but I just saying the way that I generate profits and you generate profits together. So this is my results today with pocket option. Maybe it's not the best results, but it's a good one results for me. This is my results that I had with this broker, and the way that I use it is you need to deposit and register using the link below on this video. Deposit and share with us by email your information, your name, your ID, your email, and with that my team is going to help you to be part of this social trading. So how complicated can be trading with pocket option and the social trading? Well, the idea that I have with this is generate profits. For this month, I need to generate a good amount of profits because we have a difficult month, but I think and I believe we can earn money with this social trading and pocket option. So if you want to copy my trades, remember, need to register using the link below on this video. Make your deposit and send me your information by email, and my team is gonna help you to be part of this social trading too. So it's not difficult. I think it's easy to understand how to follow the things. I'm gonna have this one out the money just for this is a good luck. This one was a good luck. We have in the money, and I'm gonna stop it right now. This is 4 in the money, and I'm gonna stop it. So if you want to copy my trades, using the link below in this video, register, make your deposit, send your information to my team, and we are gonna help you to generate profits with this broker, only with this broker. So I want to share with you too how works this strategy, but you saw that information on another videos, and I think and I saw it's so easy to understand how to follow, how to use it. Why I taken this signal? Because the moving average blue is going up inside on my stochastic oscillator, crossing going up, and I have stronger green candles. I decided to take it. It was a mistake. Don't take it more, because when closing this red candle, I consider it take it another trade. But it's okay. I think with let's go to see how much money we made on profits today. For less $500 on profits for me today with this true strategy for binary options and the social trading. It's easy, guys. It's simple. And I don't take it more of 5 trades per day. That consider it is a good amount to earning. My advice, if you want to copy my trades, deposit, but I don't know how much money you trade. I trading right now with $200. You can put your 10% of your balance in your copy trade, and the moment you select my ID, you need to put only the 10%. And believe me, with that 10%, you can start generate profits every single day. Obviously, sometimes we can have a bad day, but to the end of the week or on ending this month, you're gonna have profitable trades and profits in your balance. So I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Remember, using the link, register and deposit and send to us your information. I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.